This is a stainless steel computer cabinet. Let's see, cabinet. But cabinet really isn't the interesting part of this unit. Interesting part of this unit is right here. It is a McLean Midwest stainless steel. Get over here. Oh, it's going to be loud. You can hear I have it running. It's pretty quiet. I'll unplug it. It's actually hardwired at the moment. Wow, can't see that. Not enough light over here. Maybe the camera's picking it up okay. Get some light on here so I can read this to you. This is a CR29-0216-G013, and maybe you can read that better than I can. It is a 2000 to 2200 BTU, 586 to 645 watts, air conditioner, 115 volts. It's all stainless steel, which is kind of cool. And then it's got, you know, a cabinet for the screen, or it's got a screen up here, and it's all wired in. And you can see the temperature sensor there behind the glass. And down here, we have power strip and some outlets on the outside. Set a computer in here. And this thing locks, or I should say it shuts. It doesn't really lock. Well, it locks because you have to have a hex key to undo it. It's got a on-off switch on the side here. And then it's got some 120 volt receptacles on the back. And then a network port, a nice power cord, 5 scale things, 5 plugs. This one actually comes with a manual for the air conditioner. That's the unit. We do have 2 of these. I'm going to put it in a separate auction. Or actually, I might just list it for 2. I'm not sure. They're pretty much identical. This says Pro Air on it. Yeah, I will get you some pictures. If you have any questions, concerns, let me know. Thank you.